Hello there, how are you doing? Been out having a bit of a paddle and a camp, and one of the things I've realised is quite a few people have asked me what my camera setup is when I'm on the kayak, when I use the kayak. So I thought I'd show you what I use. So this is basically it. It's a GoPro Hero 7 Black. This is a foam wind muffler. You can actually get ones that are made to fit. Unfortunately, I was daft enough and bought one that wasn't, so I've cut a little hole in it just so that I can see the LCD screen. This is a Noza bendy leg tripod. I'll put links to this in the description. I really like these because the legs bend and you can wrap them around the sides of the boat. And I'll show you that in a minute. And then I lash the camera to the side of the boat. So I'll take a D, whatever it is, whatever D-ring is available, I will clip the camera on to the boat so that if it does happen fall in the water, you don't lose it. Don't like it! What I generally do is the little twisty controlling knob that controls the ball socket, I try to make sure that that is in my direction from where I'm sat. And then basically, this is a really wide chamber, but on this boat, I just kind of stand it like that on there and hook this over the side, and then I can control the camera for various angles. I can point it at me when I'm in the boat, I can point it over to that side, point it to the front, point it to... You get the idea. I've got a lot of versatility in terms of where I move it to. Only way we can do it. On other chambered boats like the Story or the Peapod, the Gummatex, which are a bit rounder, or the Stories are a little bit straighter, you just have to set it up slightly differently. But it works. These bendy leg tripods, they're quite grippy. I could, if I wanted to, move this around and set it up more actually on the side of the boat like that, and it locks it in place. Your legs tend to press against here a little bit anyway, which also hold it in place. And if you get it set at the right position in front of you, you'll find the paddle doesn't catch it. So I hope you found that useful. It was just a quick one because, as I say, quite a few people have mentioned it. And so I thought I'd show you what I do. And that's how I take all my kayaking videos. That's evolved pretty much over 2021, but I'm quite happy with that as things stand at the moment. If you've got any tips yourself, by all means let me know in the comments. Anyway, if you like what I'm doing and you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you hit subscribe and hit the bell notification, then whenever you open up YouTube, you just get a notification whenever I've uploaded another marvellous video. So yeah, as I say, hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching. You take care of yourself. Cheerio.